Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new vlog. Today is August, I don't really even know, August 7th maybe. I believe it's Tuesday. I'm sitting in my car right now. I was gonna go to Starbucks, but my car is being really weird, and let's hope that it starts this time. It's not starting. Oh my god. It's not starting. Oh no, my car is not starting. Watch. Oh my lord. What the hell? I was about to go to Starbucks because I went there the other day and I got a blueberry oatmeal and my blueberries were moldy, so I was going to go there today and get a blueberry oatmeal for free. But now my car isn't starting and it's been being weird the past couple days. I don't know, because I need a new alternator. And I guess my battery's dying because of the alternator. I don't know. I don't really know anything about cars. But Ravi is a mechanic. Oh, and yeah, we still haven't gotten a new alternator because... Alternator? Oh my god. What are we gonna do, baby? This is the only car we have. What are we gonna do, baby? You don't know? We're gonna have to get a new alternator? Yeah, except we don't have no money for a new alternator. Should I try one more time? Okay, let's try one more time. Now that I lost my keys, okay. Last time, and then I guess I'm going inside to eat some of my own homemade oatmeal. Oh my god, how's Robbie gonna get to work today? Oh my goodness. I just went and told Robbie that the car wasn't starting, so now he's awake. We'll see what happens. This is not good. I was really wanting an iced green tea latte. But now I'm just gonna have some coffee here at the house and make my own oatmeal. So Levi is having some peaches, some bananas, and some Honey Nut Cheerios. I'm trying to teach him to eat with his fork, but he chooses not to. Here, baby. Yeah, he doesn't want to. And then he's also got some almond milk, and he's watching Moana. Got my oatmeal with bananas, almonds, and honey. And then I've got my famous iced coffee. I brew my coffee before bed, put it in a mason jar in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning I add my creamer and my almond milk and some caramel. It's so good, especially when you put the caramel in. You really think our ancestors stayed within the reef? Robbie up to let him know that the car wasn't starting, so he's about to get up and figure out what's going on. So I'm guessing he's not going to be able to go to work today. I don't know. I just don't know. On another note, a positive note, a more positive note, my hair can almost all fit into a ponytail now, or a little bun. It's growing so fast. I don't know how or why. Probably from my vitamins. It's growing so fast. Texted my mom to tell her that our car wouldn't start. Not much anyone can do for us though. Gotta figure it out ourselves. And luckily Robbie is a mechanic, so he will figure out the issue. It's just a matter of getting the parts we need, and yeah. Not really sure what me and Levi are gonna do today. Hopefully Robbie can get the car started, take it to work, and have a look at it and figure out what we gotta do. I don't know. I will keep you updated. Now I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and drink my coffee. Robbie's sister Stephanie is here jumping our car so that Robbie can go to work. And now I'm going to clean the house in the meantime because it's a slight mess. straighten up Levi's room a little bit. Basically, this is just a toy room because he sleeps in our bed, even though he has this little toddler bed. But yeah, all he has is just a crap ton of toys, and I need to get rid of a lot of this. Where are you going? Are you running from me? Here's Mr. Froggy. Taking a short intermission. Little break for some coffee. I was working on my grocery list a few minutes ago because it's about almost that time of the month. Got my produce, my drinks and dairy, other frozen foods and meats. Of course, not for me, for Robbie. So yeah, take a look if you wish.
Oh, really?
And then I've got on here like my non-food items. I need Q-tips, napkins, and paper towels. I wrote new sponges, but I guess I already had a bunch. No, baby. Toothpaste, mouthwash, and floss. And then I also need vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. I recently ran out of vitamin C and D. I don't normally take B12, but apparently my mom shared an article with me on people who don't eat meat lack vitamin B12. I don't know, I didn't really read the article or watch the video. I just took her word for it, and I'm going to start taking some B12. Which reminds me that I have not taken my vitamins yet this morning, so we're going to go ahead and do that right now. It won't focus, but this is calcium, magnesium, and zinc. My prenatals that I still take every day. This one's the DHA, and this one's just the regular prenatal. I don't know. Oh, this one's ultra pure fish oil. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Echinacea, which is an immune booster. I don't know why it won't focus. And then we got aloe vera. And then I normally would take vitamins C and D, but I recently ran out of both of them. I guess I'm gonna get on my knees to show you here. I really love the Rainbow Light, Rainbow Light prenatal vitamins, and I'm talking really loud because Shrek is on and he's got an overpowering voice. Ever since I started taking these are like my 3rd month with these. Obviously not the same bottle. I think there's only 30 tablets, so it's a month's supply, and these come in a box together at Target. I got them, but this is like the 3rd month I've been using Rainbow Light, and my nails have grown. I actually cut them last night, so it's not a very good example, but my nails have grown a lot. They're really healthy and strong, but I cut them last night because my thumb did break off a little bit, and my hair, as I mentioned earlier, has been growing so well. But I believe, these are vegan and gluten-free. This huge green, see if it'll focus. It's not focusing. I don't understand. Babe, you're pulling my shirt off. Got this big green vitamin, and then the fish oil one is just like a big brownish black one. I decided to move the camera, but got the pill, the fish oil one, and then what, baby? Got my aloe vera little jelly thing. I don't know the word for it. 2 echinacea. and then just 1 of the calcium, magnesium, and zinc. I should probably be taking iron as well because I am anemic. So maybe I should add some iron to my little grocery list. And I can't take all of these at once because these are freaking huge. So I just do half and half. That big green one does not taste good, and it's kind of hard to swallow if you don't normally take vitamins and such, but it's not too bad. Alright, I'm sitting down to relax for a minute. Relaxation over. I was gonna sit down and relax for a minute because... What, babe? He just keeps wanting in the fridge and I don't know why. Like, he's just pulling random things out. Look at him. Like, what do you want out of there, baby? You need your diaper changed. It's drooping. Get back here. Get back here. Hey. What's matter? Right now it's about 11 o'clock. And my mom just texted me because I want to stuff peppers for Robbie tonight. I want to make him stuffed peppers in the crock pot, but I only have like 2 peppers, 2 bell peppers, and I need a few more. So I think my mom's gonna bring me some because I can't go to the grocery store because we only have 1 car, which sucks, but at least Robbie's sister came and jumped it, and now he's at work. Can you stop, please? I don't like that, baby. I don't like when you do that. I don't like it, Pumpkin. Like, this is what I deal with. This is what I deal with. No, baby, mommy doesn't like that. But, yeah, I think my mom's gonna bring me some peppers. Hopefully she comes soon because I'm not really sure how long they need to cook in the crock pot, but I'm guessing it's gonna be like an all-day thing. So yeah, hopefully she comes soon and I can stuff these peppers and get them in the crock pot with the sauce, get them cooking so he can have some stuffed peppers when he gets home from work. Alright, so I got my ground beef mixed up with the spicy sausage. Well, it's not mixed yet, but I'm gonna mix that up and then add the rice to it as well and mix it all up. So let's just mix it right now. Alright, so I sliced the onion just a little bit. I'm gonna put some jalapenos in this little chopper and then throw the onion in there. Gotta back up a little bit.
Oh, thank you. Grandma's shoe.
And then you just
Thank you, baby.
chops it real nice. This thing is amazing. Huh? I'm literally crying from the onions, but now I'm just gonna stuff the meat in the peppers and throw them in the crock pot to cook for the rest of the day. Alright, so I got my peppers stuffed, and then I just made some little balls of meat as well to put in there. Well, because I only have 4 peppers, and other than that, Robbie doesn't really eat the pepper anyways, so it doesn't really matter that much. And I'm not really sure that all these are gonna fit. Not really. I'm in my mom's truck right now. She stayed at the house with Levi because he's napping, but I'm about to go pick up the food that I ordered. It is my favorite thing to eat. Red light. It is my favorite thing to eat. It's a Syrian salad pizza, which is just like pizza crust. I don't know how they make it, but it's so good. And then instead of like pizza sauce, it's hummus, and then lettuce, tomato, onion, cucumber, feta cheese, and then like lemon juice and oil, I think. I don't know, but it's so good. And I had to get like extra tomato and cucumber because it's just like, you need it. It's so good. But yeah, I'm about to pull in, so bye. You can. So now I'm at home, and me and my mom are gonna relax and eat and watch some Gossip Girl. Check that out. Yum. Oh man. This is one of the things I miss from before I decided to quit eating meat. Oh my god, I loved me some stuffed peppers or stuffed cabbage. It just looks so good. So yeah, my mom tested out the stuffed peppers because I don't eat meat, and she told me that she thinks Robbie is gonna like them. He likes them spicy. He likes everything spicy. So I added some like red pepper flakes to the sauce, and then I did some chopped jalapeno in the meat mixture, so I think he'll definitely like it. But yeah, so I'm making him the stuffed peppers, some corn on the cob, and then also gonna make him a baked potato, which I'm about to cook right now. He should be home like really soon. And yeah, I was gonna, wow, yeah, as I was saying, I was hoping when he got home that we could take Levi to the park or something, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen, which I'm super bummed about. What are you doing? Are you making a mess? We got 1, 2, 3 toys, and this for my juicer. Well, yeah, so it looks like a park is not in the question, so for the rest of the evening we will just be sitting inside, which is not my favorite thing to do, but for that reason I'm going to end the vlog on that note. I really can't stand the rain. Some days I really like when it rains, but today is just not one of those days. I sat inside all day, and I just need to get outside and do something. And I know Levi feels the same way, but it is pouring rain. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog because there's not much else that's interesting going on in this little family today. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video. Hopefully you enjoy my vlogs. If you do, be sure to subscribe to my channels. And my channels? I only have one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay updated because there's more to come. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Come say bye-bye, baby. Say bye. Bye. Oh, can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Punk. Bye. Say bye. Bye, baby.